If you're over 40 and feeling stuck in your career, there's one key thing you should definitely avoid doing. So here's what happened. I was 47, sitting in another meeting where everyone was talking about digital marketing strategies, and I had no clue what they meant. Sound familiar? I tried everything. YouTube tutorials that made no sense, online courses designed for 20-year-olds, even asked my nephew for help. Talk about embarrassing. But here's what I discovered that changed everything. The problem wasn't that I was too old to learn. The problem was that nobody was teaching digital marketing the right way for people like us. See, most courses assume you grew up with this stuff. They throw around terms like conversion funnels and pixel tracking without explaining what any of it actually means. But here's the thing. We have something younger people don't have. Life experience. We understand people. We know how to solve real problems. So I created a system that works with how our brains actually learn. Step by step. No tech jargon. Just practical skills that make sense. And the results? I doubled my income in 18 months. Started my own consulting business. Now companies pay me to teach them what I know. But here's what really gets me excited. Last month, I helped Susan. She's 52, land her dream marketing job after being unemployed for 8 months. Mike is 49. Just launched his online business and made $15,000 in his first quarter. The crazy part? They both told me the same thing. I wish I had started this sooner. Look, the digital world isn't going anywhere. Every day you wait is another day of missed opportunities, another day of feeling left behind. By 2025 and beyond, digital marketing skills will be required for almost every job. The question is, will you be ahead of this wave or trying to catch up? There are two types of people over 40, those who embrace change and those who get left behind. Which one are you going to be? If this sounds interesting to you, my course, Digital Marketing Breakthrough 40 Plus, shows you exactly how to do it. Link in the description to a free resource you can start today.